Hurry up. Lalaro daw kami nito. What is the name of that game?
Life.
Life. Ay, ambot. Anong life? Ay, nanta kabaluan na. Hurry up, Ethan. Antok na ako, mga ka-twin bell. Relaxing masyado. Masyadong tahimik dito. Isa nandun sa labas, oh. Hindi, nagre-relax din siya sa labas. Madilim na kasi eh. Marami na mga ngagat dyan. Kaya dito na ako sa loob. Kagatin kasi ako. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-stay sa labas. Daming lamok. Wala naman masyadong lamok. Wala akong pang nakitang lamok. Kaso lang. Mga madumog. Antok talaga ako. Ay, kamingaw ba? Or Ethan, maybe we need to turn the TV on. I think it's so quiet. It makes me so sleepy. Oh, here's the remote right there. Okay. Yeah, ma. But not make me not copyright, okay?
I'm watching Mom, we're gonna watch a movie. Of course it's gonna get copyright.
No, not yet. Don't start it yet until I finish videoing.
That looks like copyright.
So are we gonna start now or what?
Yeah, we're starting, Mom.
Huh?
Yeah, Mom, we're gonna start.
Okay, how to start? Do I need to start the number? What number? So you need to put something in here in the hall.
I wanna this one, so I'm gonna start.
Turn that off. Turn, hurry. Turn, hurry up. Oh my goodness.
I think you're gonna get copyrighted. Yeah, sorry. Wait, you wanna go first?
Okay. I put it down. Okay, what number?
6.
Number 6.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, we're supposed to get money at the store.
You need to give me money. Okay mga ka-twin bell, boring ang game na ito. Naantok ako. Bye!